to get one continuous cut. There we go. I'm going to show you guys here. So now I got one continuous cut all the way down. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm going to go ahead and check with my little square right here to see how square I actually am with this thing. Okay. So I'm actually high on this corner right here, so I'm actually going to take this corner down. Let me check it again. Yep, I'm still high on this corner. Alright, I'm going to check it again. It's a little better. Let's see. It's a little high here. I'm going to make one more pass on this corner here, then one more down the center. Check it again. That's pretty square. I'm going to see if I can get this camera a little closer for you guys so you can see it. So you can see. I'm actually pretty square all the way down. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the other piece here. Raise this camera up a little bit so you can see it. Start to check, see where I'm at. Yeah, so I actually gotta take this corner down this time. Might adjust my hand plane just a smidgen here. I'm gonna check it again. Yeah, I'm actually still high here. I'm getting a little closer. I'm going to back my hand plane up a tiny bit. I'm taking a little too heavy of shavings. I'm going to check it again. Getting a little closer. See how that is. Yeah, that's basically flat all the way across. I'm going to get a couple more passes. See how smooth that is.